Let's make a soft rava cake. Start by greasing your cake pan with butter. Line with parchment paper and butter it too. Coat Tutti Frutti with a little flour to prevent them from sinking. Mix softened butter, yogurt, and vanilla essence together. Add powdered sugar and mix until smooth. Sieve all the dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Add semolina and gradually mix in milk to form a smooth batter. Gently fold in the Tutti Frutti. Pour into the prepared pan and tap to settle. Add more Tutti Frutti on top for decoration. Bake at 175 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Let it cool in the pan. Remove from pan after cooling slightly. Slice and serve your delicious rava cake. Please like, share, and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.